Welcome to the channel, where we provide you information on the top emerging technology. Sitting for long periods of time can be damaging to your health. In a normal day, you tend to sit while driving to work, sit at your desk while working, and then sit at home watching your favorite TV shows. Sitting for long periods of time can be linked to obesity, diabetes, back pain, all while ruining your posture. MOFT Z. If you have ever decided on buying a standing desk, you were shocked by the large price tag and the need to replace your existing desk. MOFT Z is a truly lightweight and versatile gadget to offer maximum comfort and freedom to any laptop user. When collapsed, it's only half an inch thick and only takes seconds to raise up to its highest height. Its 1 mode for standing and 3 modes for sitting allows you to develop a healthy posture in any environment. With the maximum holding weight of 22 pounds, you can be sure any laptop you place on it will be safe. This desk stand feels soft and smooth, but will not wear or tear due to its reinforced corners and fiberglass structure. Pack this desk stand anywhere you go to make working on the computer comfortable again. Transform your desk into a standing desk with MOVI. MOVI is an ergonomic, electric, spacious standing desk made from bamboo. This elegantly designed standing desk has a large workspace and sturdy structure to feel as if you've bought an actual standing desk. One-touch electric lift allows the user to effortlessly raise the height to accommodate individuals 5 foot to 6 foot tall with precise half-inch increments. Save a height in its memory to raise the height of your specific ergonomic setup every time. The bamboo benchtop is a natural, sustainable option to expensive hardwoods, and with the added protective coating, you can be sure the surface will be safe of scratches and stains. Added benefits to this gadget include a timer to remind you when to stand up, a USB charging port, and safety pinch protection. Improve your health and well-being with MOVI. ReadyDesk, a sturdy, simple, affordable, and portable standing desk. Most standing desks are built with only one set height between the keyboard and your monitor. But with ReadyDesk, you can change those heights to improve on your posture. The ReadyDesk design was built with an ergonomic and eye-catching design. Supporting 160 pounds of added weight, you can even lean on it without breaking it. 3 hours of standing a day for 5 days burns as many calories as running 1 marathon per month. Using recyclable Baltic birch wood and cutting pieces using a CNC allows the product to be perfect with every order. By using local lumber yards and CNC shops, ReadyDesk supports the local economy. StallDesk, the standing desk reinvented. StallDesk is a progressive, affordable, and ergonomic solution that is made to work for you. Used for the structure, its LEED certified apple ply is high-quality furniture-grade plywood. While most standing desks strive for better posture and less pain, the StallDesk's main constraints were made for neck and back alignment, so you're not looking down constantly even when standing. It takes up less depth than the standard desk, so you're easily able to move the stand out of the way in a matter of seconds. With 3 natural wood types to choose from, you can keep the style of your office without adding an eyesore product to the top of your desk. Assembly of the stylish desk piece is a breeze without needed hardware or screws. This desk stand is by far one of the strongest due to its 17-ply construction, which is lighter and stronger than regular wood. Stealth Rising Desktop. The Smart Stealth Rising Desk Stand. With one button for full operation, you can calibrate and change the height easily. The included app displays how much standing or sitting you have been doing within your day and can show you how many calories you have burnt. With Stealth Fighter Jet appearance, the desk stand in its lowered state stands 4 inches high, but is easily raised to 24 inches to accommodate people up to 6'8". The flat surface is large enough to hold any modern keyboard, trackpad, or mouse you already own. Being powder coated allows the surface to be very durable and not chip or flake after repeated uses. Gas charged struts help hold the surface in a raised position, which adds to its strength and durability. Raised Desk. Ergonomic, adjustable, portable, stand-up desk. Made of 100% recycled anodized aluminum and simple construction, this rugged stand can be used anywhere you want to go. With its compact size, you can set it up within 20 seconds. With 2 shelves and 12 different self-adjusting slots, you can set up your workspace to fit your body's height. Each shelf can hold up to 30 pounds without bending or breaking. Holes in the shelves allow airflow to your laptop for optimal cooling. Anthropometric studies consider a forearm position of a 90-degree angle and a 15-degree downward tilt, which is the most ergonomically correct position to stand in, which is the design raised desk strive for. Don't just sit there, stand with a raised desk. Uprite Ergo. With its aesthetically pleasing, height adjustable, and small footprint, Uprite Ergo allows to easily move from sitting to a raised position. Three stands available are a single monitor stand, a heavy duty stand to support heavier screens, and a dual monitor stand to increase productivity. Available finishes are the silver aluminum look with white phenolic work surface, or a regular black frame with a black phenolic work surface. Manual height adjustment on the stand is actually faster and more convenient than others with electric motors because you do not need an additional plug to run it. Slide in and out design on the work surfaces allow you to conveniently take notes or hold extra objects while you work. CubeFit TerraMat. Standing at your desk can be helpful in many ways, but can be hard on your knees and joints if you do not use the correct footwear. TerraMat is an anti-fatigue mat designed to enhance your standing experience, keeping you energized so you're able to stand longer and designed to promote subconscious movement. The mat supports many different standing positions. The support track to stretch out your hip flexors or calves, balance bar to strengthen your core, and massage mounts to increase blood flow to your lower limbs. Sitting all day is damaging to your health, but so is standing all day. With the mat, you are able to keep moving constantly to prevent pressure on your joints and veins. Combine the TerraMat to any standing desk to improve your health. Subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss more videos on emerging office technology and much more. Take care.